Okay.
Yo guys, what's up? It's Eric. Fabio's laughing. He always laughs when I'm talking English, but it's okay. You know, no, just film. Do I have to start over again?
Let's do it.
Thanks. So, what I wanted to say to you guys, thanks for watching. It's always nice to have you here. Yeah, we wanted to give you an update of the EJ9. Probably you want to know what's happening and what we're gonna do next. Well, I just want to give you a short update of what's happening and why the bay is still what it is right now. So I'll explain to you in short. Of course, we want to give the bay a new color, and I have news for you guys. I just ordered the color. There was just a little bit problem with ordering the paint because I asked them to mix the color in RGB code. So I gave them a number, and they a couple of days later they said to me, well, we don't do that, we cannot do that with RGB, we have to have the RAL number. Well, okay, so that was a little bit disappointing, but on the other hand, you know, we still have some nice work to do on this car.
So let's get into that.
Yeah, so what we wanted to tell you, probably you have seen the other video where we removed the subframe. Well, this is the subframe. Probably you remembered also that it was black, and now it is red because of the primer. It's the anti-corrosion primer that we put on, and it looks already a million times better. So yeah, you know, that's great. And that's also what I did to this part here. This part is another part of the subframe.
It's the underside of the steering racket.
Exactly. So yeah, you know, we just touch it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. We remove some rust and we put some primer on it. That's also the case with the engine bay. Of course, the engine bay is more important than the subframe, because the subframe is, you know, underneath the motor, underneath the car, and yeah, of course, we want to have the engine bay, you know, as mint as possible, because I'm still, you know, an amateur painting his car or his engine bay. So yeah, that's what we are right now, where we are right now. What I also wanted to say to you guys is that I really tried to get to get the paint in every corner of the engine bay where it could possibly go. So that's what I intend to do with the rest of the bay also. But you know, I had to do a lot of things to it. Remove all the screws, remove all the bolts, remove every line, and we removed the subframe. It was a lot of work. I also had to, how do you say that? Shave it with the paper, you know.
Wet sand it?
No, I haven't done that yet, but I just sanded it. That's
oh,
the correct
just sand
word.
it?
Thank
okay.
you. So I sanded the bay where possible, so that the primer really catches, you know, and sticks to the car. And you can see that if you can close up a little bit at the paint, probably you can see here in the lighting how good it looks already. And of course, what we're gonna do is just wet sand it a little bit when the whole engine bay is red. And after that we've done that, then we are going to spray it with the paint that I've chosen.
Yep.
So that's more or less what we've done. It's just a quick update, and I really am excited to show you guys more, because you know, this is one of the nice things of building your car.
Thank you, Eric, for giving us this explanation.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for watching, guys.
And yeah, but to not leave you guys without some content, we thought to ourselves, let's give them a little tease of some new stuff that still going on. We recently made a tutorial of how to change your energy suspension. Look forward to that. And right now we're gonna install. Yeah, if you've seen the thumbnail, you already know what it is. But we're gonna install that right now, and yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
So this is the big surprise. I got a NORE steering wheel. Personal. It's personal right now. You get it. So
Up close and personal.
up close and personal. And it's a used one, but for me it's special because normally these are very expensive, and I got this for a very good price, and I have to thank AJ for that, because he hooked me up with this one. He had it laying around, and he just thought to himself, yeah, you can take it for 50 bucks. So I was pretty happy about that. It's a legit one. You can see on the back it says made in Italy, and it's very legit. You can, yeah, it just feels very good in your hands, and it's rocket hard. Normally the fake ones, or a fake one on eBay, or just it don't feel that solid. I'm gonna show you real quick. Let's change it up in the car. Okay, we're in the car right now. So this is a Sparkle steering wheel. I bought this one thinking it was legit, but it isn't. How can you see if or notice if a steering wheel is not legit? If you can do this, see it right there, or you can move it like this. So if you angle it on this side, you can see it. So see the steering wheel? Look at this. That's how you can
Bend a steering wheel.
bend the steering wheel, or just know if it's fake or not, if you can do this.
I think maybe this could be even safe if you have an accident.
Believe me, you will die.
You won't break your nose
You
on this
won't break your
one.
nose on this one. So to give you a review about fake eBay or fake AliExpress stuff like this, don't buy it, please. I bought it, and then I thought to myself, what am I doing? Because this right here is not safe.
Okay.
But we got a legit one right here, so I'm very happy, and we're gonna change it up. So let's start. I already did a bit of loosening up the bolts, so it's a little bit easy to do this. I got a decent hub. It's an old school hub. Maybe in the future I will do a different hub, and I don't know, but for now we're gonna change this up real quick. And I got another treat. Yeah, more treat for myself. I think I got a authentic piece in the car. I don't know for sure. I think it's discontinued, but I got this shift knob right here. It's how can I say it? how do I know that it maybe is authentic piece or discontinued shift knob? It's the finish that's been done to it, and it's hella heavy. It's very heavy.
But it doesn't help then making your car lighter.
No, that but a nice fact about that, right now I do not have a notchy shifting. I do not have a quick shifter. But fun fact, the people in Japan, way back in the 90s, when they did not have a quick shifter, or whatever you may call it, they had heavy shift knobs. So the heavy shift knobs were great to find their, right now, and it was to make it a little bit notchier. They have a weighted shift knob, so I think this is a legit shift knob, because I don't know, but it feels good, the finish is good, and yeah. So I'm holding it with my...
Have you got your horn working?
No. Stupid about this steering wheel is that I do not have a horn button.
I have a nice one for you. A fake one.
Yeah, a fake one, but I don't want a fake one.
But for the time being,
so
just accept my gift to you as a friend.
Okay.
You may not look a horse in the mouth.
Oh my God!
That's a Dutch proverb.
Proverb?
Yeah.
Dutch saying.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
A Dutch
proverb
saying
is the same. So, but
proverb.
But I just I just want to give you my dearest horn.
I just found out that the bulls that I got don't fit.
Okay, guys, just rewind it back and see you next week.
Okay, leave a like, subscribe, comment if you want to find this in any way hilarious.
Feel free to leave a dislike.
Oh my God, stupid. Oh, they are stupid.